Salamat sinan introduction ay day ang duwan dia. Dengan niyo hakan. Kinakyo. Kakailian. At Hong Kong ay nay. Dengan niyo hakan.
Ay, nagpunan na Pinas.
Titiwang kanandag kaw niya. Ibilaak iso nga wadang pagpangwani niya kanta ko na. Anyway, laida kayong pasalamat sinan aming kanda kayo ay giving us the opportunity in Mali, idnay Hong Kong. Kananhi Aileen ay timawag. Number 2 ka selection. Number 2 ka, taya adi umali congressman. Iyong hikahan na imbitaran me, sigat imbitaran me. Kat ko nakauray ade. At no kanama din umaliak at umaliak. So I came for Lang Ay Festival. But you know what? Lang Ay Festival is very dear to my heart, no? Before I say something about that, laida ay laida kayo magpasalamat tay imali kayo ay adu-ado. Da kayo at mamapka kayo is na, so you are very the cohesion I can see is very strong. That you are the mountain province resident dito in Hong Kong, and some time ago we call you the 11th municipality. Tay simpuay municipalities Garuda Mountain Province ngam kanandaan nuwada ka outside the area, you belong to the 11th municipality. Ngam igay ng tuloy. Why? Because we remain the loyalty to our respective areas wherever we are. So, kanda kayo ay taga Bauco, taga Barlig, taga Busaw, taga Buntok, Natunin, Paracelis, Sabangan, Sadanga, Sagada, Yatadjan, all 10 municipalities, gawis ay agaw tako, amin. To our Vice Consul who came over and dropped by for us, Attorney Roberto Mabalot Jr., good afternoon po. He is our DTI in this area. Kan Apo Mayor Bryce Bakwadon, igawis tayo mali ka, kanan si Apo Mayor. Basa po lang umali kami, abay mo. Tay, no umali ka no Mayor the Hong Kong, in these events, with your prayers, mga abak dakasin. So always call them and be sure tayo malali na kanois na mga bakda kasi 2025 sigurado Apo Mayor ay day mong palpala sidi. And uray ko agay nakaali si Clark ngaya ibaga-baga ta ko tapos nan ngada na, you know, Mayor Clark is very near Bauco. You know what? He has a place in Bauco. Tay inilanak inabang si Asay Baoy. Tanong umalinan Ibarlig ay masakit at Bauco. Wadanan muntian di mumbantay. So they live comfortably in Bauco. That's the mayor of Barlig. Okay.
Hindi ka nag-order.
Okay. So I go now to my speech. Gawis ay ayaw nilang ay and congratulations kanda kayo amin. This is now your 14th Lang Ay Festival year. Agasam simpuya upat upay. And we give credit to Miss Luz Afichao ta isudaman pioneering nga nang initiative dito. I know that by heart, no? Sometime in 2013, we went also to Macau to grace celebration of the Lang Ay Festival. 20 years in the making of Lang Ay, no? So going back to 2004, malagip yun ni Apo Gobernador PD nga Maximo Dalug Senior. She decided and initiated the coming up of a provincial festival. Because he saw the success of other festivals in the country, especially the Panagbenga of Baguio. So next to Panagbenga came Langay Festival. How did Langay came about? No? Let me give you a witnessing because I was there to see. The Association of Provincial Executive, APEX, was then tasked by then the governor to conceptualize one. Nagado nga meetings nga inayabanda, tapno agaramidan niya nga tangag paisuti festival ti Mountain Province. They came up with different concepts. Patong, tayang kanayon takoy us-usaran, nuwaday ragragsa. Kananda buhan na Tapay Festival. Yan is a served ako during festivities. That was also the time I non-office me at DTI is also developing the fruit wine industry in that area. And taking from the fruit wine product of Mrs. Andres in Utukan. And Utukan near Bila. Kay Mandi? Remember that? Utukan is near Bila. Okay. Anyway, she had that cherry wine, no? That cherry wine. When the process improved, no? When the process improved and good wines came about, they likewise developed brands and labels. So after cherry wine, wala ng pugnay, wala ng pineapple, wala ng ayusip, wala ng different product. Sister church of the CICM and Bauco has this roselle. Hindi ka andakon kakao ay napintas ay. And then she mixed it with ginger and then came up with a good wine. With Sister Shirley, bless her soul, so na COVID last year at Tiyanan in Mayana,